भैया एक मैक्लोडगंज। Solo traveling. It is such an amazing experience that I really cannot figure out where should I start talking about it. For now, you just pack your bags and get ready to join me in this journey of unknown adventures and countless memories. Let's go. I just checked into my hostel, literally threw my bag and just came out to explore this beautiful hill station. So let's see what Mcleodganj has to offer us. Time to hit the famous Bugsy waterfall. Let's just hope it's not too crowded. As expected, crowded as hell. The question that I often get asked by a lot of people is that why the hell do I travel alone and why not with my friends or anyone else? Don't worry, be patient, I'll tell you why. Whenever I am somewhere traveling alone, I find my peace in this chaos. It is something when I feel the most alive, when I can finally live my life. Way to the Triumph deck, and just when I thought I'm lost, I saw that marking. What a relief. Whoa. It's so sad to say that, but as you know, the plastic has taken over almost the entire planet now, and these beautiful mountains are no exceptions to it. And it really breaks my heart, especially in these places when I see the garbage. So I decided to take an initiative, collect all the garbage here and take it with me. So it's my humble request to you, please don't kill our beautiful planet. So with that said, my trip to Mcleodganj ends here.